Breaking news. German unemployment spikes in June. According to official reports, the number of jobless Germans has surged by 28,000, reaching a staggering 2.61 million in just 1 month. Analysts were left scratching their heads as they predicted a rise of only 13,000. The Labor Office is sounding the alarm bells, and they're saying that the economy's struggles are finally taking their toll on the job market. Labor Office head Andrea Nahles has spoken, stating, "Unemployment is on the rise, and employment growth is losing momentum." That's not all. The seasonally adjusted jobless rate has shot up to 5.7% from the previous month's 5.6%. Get this, the number of unemployed Germans is a staggering 192,000 higher than it was in June of last year. Even without taking into account Ukrainian refugees, the Labor Office admits that unemployment would still have climbed compared to last year. This is truly a crisis unfolding before our very eyes. But in June alone, there were 108,000 fewer job openings than a year ago. Economists predict that the number of jobless individuals will continue to rise slightly throughout 2023. However, they do expect the overall unemployment rate to remain relatively stable compared to the previous year. Stay tuned as we keep you updated. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.